Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Thinkorswim platform. First, download and install the application from your broker's website. Once installed, launch the program and log in using your account username and password. Take a few moments to navigate the main interface, familiarizing yourself with the different tabs like Monitor, Trade, and Analyze. This initial step is crucial for getting started smoothly and efficiently, ensuring you understand the basic layout before diving deeper. Now that you are logged in, let's personalize your workspace. Thinkorswim offers extensive customization options. You can drag and drop elements like charts, watch lists, and trade windows to create a layout that suits your trading style. Remember to save your workspace frequently, perhaps naming it My Trading Layout, so you can quickly load it each time you open the platform. This saves valuable time and enhances your overall experience. Next, let's dive into charting, a core feature for analysis. You can add several charts to monitor various assets or different time frames, such as 1-minute or daily charts. Thinkorswim provides hundreds of technical indicators. Simply click the Studies button to add popular ones like the 20-period moving average or the relative strength index. Customizing these charts is essential for informed decision-making. Finally, let's configure your trading preferences and alerts. Navigate to the Setup menu and then Application Settings to adjust default order quantities, perhaps setting it to 100 shares for stocks. You can also enable or disable trade confirmations. Crucially, set up price alerts to receive notifications when a stock reaches a specific price, helping you stay informed without constant monitoring. This streamlines your trading process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.